Today I'll show you how to enable dictation on your MacBook Air M5 or MacBook Air previous generations or any MacBook Pro. Here I'm typing something manually in the Notes app, and I want to show you that you can talk to your Mac and it will type things for you. So you only have to press F5 on the MacBook keyboard, and that's the shortcut for dictation to talk to it, or you go into the settings keyboard and then look for the dictation settings. Here you might want to change some of the settings. The easiest way is to simply enable it, and then it's important to check the languages you want dictation to be available in, and the microphone source and the shortcut, which button will start and stop the dictation. I prefer to have auto punctuation on. At least it tries. It's not always getting it right, but now when I press F5, now the dictation is enabled and I can type by talking to the microphone. This is pretty good, and I can stop it. I can say okay, that's fine, or I can say okay, that's done, and it will only listen when you press the button, the F5 or whatever shortcut you choose to enable dictation with. It's a pretty powerful feature, but it doesn't always get it right. You could check the punctuation, you could use the writing tools to fix it up. Thanks for watching.